Vendor accounts. Let's come to the bill screen. So when you're creating a new bill, you have this list of vendors. Product screen, which vendor are we purchasing this from? So different places that this will get used. You set this up pretty simply. Click the Add button and fill in the blanks and click OK. Now vendor name, let's look at Mohawk. That's a good example for difference between vendor and payee. Their official company name, Mohawk Industries Inc., but internally I just want to see it as Mohawk. But when I print a check to them, it's got to be Mohawk Factoring. Now, if the vendor name and payee name are the same, you don't have to fill in the payee if you don't want to. Save yourself the typing and just type in a vendor name and skip that. Q4s will use the vendor name on the checks when it prints a check if this is blank. Address and so forth. In version 6.1 of Q4s, we finally have this second street line activated and working. And then your terms. Q4s does manage the dual set of terms that you'll see with many vendors. 5% in 20 days, 3% in 30 days, net 40, or whatever your terms would be with your vendor. Maybe just set it at net 30 and leave these blank or zeros. Or if it's due on receipt, then you just leave this at 0 as well. Down below this line here, this bottom third of the window is for B2B settings. So when you contact your vendor and request that they set up a B2B account that's associated with your normal account with them, about a week later you'll get an email back from them that has your account settings. And you'll put those settings into this area down here and click the Activate B2B option, and then you can download files from them. By the way, B2B is a very handy, very beneficial feature. It really gives you creates some efficiencies for you. You can download your pricing. You can place your orders directly to the vendors. They don't even have to be open. It can be middle of the night. You can place an order and you can download your bills from them. Really a lot of time-saving functions there.